Welcome to a world where beauty isn't rushed, but refined. This is the Brazilian wax alchemy, a spa ceremony where science meets serenity. Here, beauty is not just a look, it's a feeling. At MTH Health, we believe every ritual deserves intention, every movement should be mindful. Every detail should speak care, every touch should bring calm. It all begins with balance. Warmth, fragrance and stillness. The wax is prepared like liquid gold, smooth, luminous and perfectly tempered. In luxury spas from Paris to Dubai, this process is not a routine, it's an art form. The air carries a soft aroma, the towels feel like clouds, and the music flows like peace itself. Every step is designed to comfort the skin and quiet the mind. Now begins the alchemy, a gentle dance between warmth and calm. Each stroke is measured with precision. Each motion is guided with care. This is not about speed, it's about harmony. The Brazilian wax, when done with mastery, is not about pain, it's about transformation. It's the moment when the skin rediscovers softness, and confidence begins to glow from within. Luxury isn't found in the wax itself, it's found in what comes after. Cool serums soothe the skin. Nourishing oils bring back the glow. Gentle touch restores calm. Every product, every motion seals in serenity. This is how a simple wax becomes a ritual of renewal. True luxury isn't loud, it's silent, it's in the calm reflection of confidence. Smooth, confident, timeless. That is the essence of the Brazilian wax alchemy. Where technique becomes art, where touch becomes therapy, where skin meets perfection. Because luxury isn't what you see, it's what you feel. Luxe skin, confident mind, timeless allure. MTH Health, redefining beauty one ritual at a time.